There you go, push.
And ta-da!
Oh, so today we are unboxing this RadioFlyer family wagon with Canopy. So these are the new features in this 3-in-1 wagon. There is a big storage bag, and then you can use it as a bench, and there are seat belts. So let's open it up.
Looks like a big weed pile. This could take.
Here it is.
Hey, is it all I have? You don't have to
Wow,
make
that's not very heavy. It is. And then it comes with these drills, the canopy. Oh, there is already mosquitoes out. Let's hurry up.
Yeah.
This is the canopy. It has a magnet in it.
This is not it.
Read the instruction.
Okay, pop it open. What
we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the right and the left side.
I'll get the other one open.
Connect these two wheels, the right and the left wheel. First, we're gonna just insert this wheel like so. It's in here. This part should be inside, and this part should be here. We're gonna use these two locks to put it to secure.
Shiloh is looking at some stuff. Please don't touch the food, Shiloh.
So you need to hammer this part. We're gonna hammer this side.
You want to do something immediately? Huh?
Supposed to hammer it.
Shiloh. What happened when I
Make sure it's tight.
What happened?
We're gonna put the next side over here.
Oh, that's a helicopter.
And hammer the next side. Whoa. So, and so, let's hammer it. Make sure it's tight.
If I didn't talk, I could find a hammer. I looked under it, and I didn't saw the hammer. Hey, there's a mosquito.
That one is done. Okay, so the next step is to lift this thing slightly and attach this. So we're gonna lift that lever and then what is this now? Pull to the lever.
Shorts and a shirt. Why? If you touch a tail, lizard's tail, why does his tail comes off and then it grows a new one?
I told you that.
Huh?
I told you that.
Granny. I'm like, why? Maybe if I touch it, the little tail and then it falls off.
Now we're screwing it in. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the big right wheel. So pull it up a little bit. So we're gonna pull it up a little bit, and then shove it. So it says here just lift it up. Sure. Lift this up a little bit. Move. There you go. So you hear that, Shiloh? You gotta shove it in hard. And it won't come out. Stand it up.
Whoa! Now we open it.
There you go, push.
And ta-da!
Good job. See, it's easy to fold.
Yeah. Abe and Naomi Noah and Naomi are gonna sit down.
Pull up the poles in the corner. There's a button in here. Let me pull this in. So let's push out. There's a button there. Pull it up. Pull the other side.
That's fun.
And then there's another pole. Is that how tall it's?
Yeah.
So as you can see, this corner, it snaps right into the hole. There's like a magnet on the top.
There it goes.
Did it snap? Oh, let me snap this
I'm
in.
not sure it did.
Let's see. Did you snap the other end?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's show them the features of this wagon. As you can see, look at this. So it never falls down, it springs back up. And Hello, face it towards me, please. Turn it around. Turn it towards me. You can see there's a big bag in the back. It's like a for your stuff. Okay, turn it around. There's a. You can remove this part, and this could be like a bench. This serves like a bench for the kids, or like if you want to, Hello, sit down. So here's my almost 9-year-old sitting down, and here's my.
It's ready.
Oh,
she's so pretty. Is that my skirt? No, it isn't.
It's hers. Come on, let me sit down.
I got some.
And let's try to buckle you up.
Let's buckle up. I got some.
Buckle up.
Daddy let me pick 6 Star Wars.
Naomi, you want to buckle up? Let's try to buckle her up. Naomi, sit sideways. Shall I buckle her up?
like this, Naomi.
Okay, buckle her up.
Buckle up. I got some stuff. Daddy gets.
Shall I buckle her up?
I took 2 out for me. 2 out for me. And
Buckle sister up.
2 out for you and mommy.
Okay.
Okay, so buckle up. Who wants pink?
And then you can zip that up.
Okay, mommy could have pink.
I'm
2
giving you.
pinks. Really? Treat.
Hello.
No, we're eating sausage with a.
You like it? For a walk.
What? Oh, in the front. Star Wars shadow. I wondered if mommy wanted some.
So buckle up your little brother.
Sit downstairs, little room.
Okay, there you go. Buckle up. You like it, Abe? Isn't that fun? Let's go for a walk. We're going for a walk. There's the. So as you can see, this thing is. It bounces up, and this is a magnet. And we have a big. There's some storage for cups, and this area opens up so they can exit easily. And you can also lock it with a latch. And there's some seat belts, which you can also tighten. And you can use it as a bench.
Who wants Star Wars?
Bye. We're by No. Little one, he wants to be in the middle. And then close it.
Now move your feet. Zip it up.
There you go. Yay!
Can we drive over there in that little lot?
Shallow's the driver.
Okay.
We're gonna go for a walk outside.
Here?
Woohoo! Okay, Abe. Nabisa ka dong.
Done.
Okay, Abe. Hey, you just whacked the baby's face, Abe.
He's been mean. He broke me over.